It's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic Monday so far. Definitely feels good to be back here at the dealership and bringing you guys the best of what we have. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 2016 Nissan Rogue SL in a magnetic black exterior. I would also like to mention that this vehicle has a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Now we are going to start here at the front end. Before we do that, I do just want to mention that this vehicle is going to come with the SL Premium Package, which includes a couple of different options that you wouldn't see in the normal SL package. I will get to those in just a moment, but let's go ahead and take a look here at this front end. First things you'll take notice of are these halogen headlights, with the running fog lights right below that, with that beautiful chrome trimmer running along that outer edge. And as we come here towards the middle, you'll see that black girl insert along with the chrome trim, as well as that patented chrome Nissan logo. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the 18x17 aluminum wheels, as well as the 225/60 like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now, a couple of things to be noted here on the exterior as well. Here on the back of your mirrors, you will have integrated turn signal indicators. If we take a look here at the front, they will be heated as well, so don't worry about them getting frosty in the wintertime. And that you do have blind spot monitoring as well. While we're over here as well, here on your door handles, you will have proximity sensors, so as long as that key's in your pocket and you press that button, it'll lock and unlock. While we're over here as well, let's go ahead and show you guys this interior. As you can see, it's going to come with a premium black leather interior with some of this dark gray stitching running through the middle. And as we turn around here to the dash, you'll see that black dash finish up top with some of this carbon fiber look-alike trim, as well as the silver trim running along your air vents. While we're in here as well, let's go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. So on this specific Nissan Rogue, your tire depths for the left and right front will be 9 and 32 seconds, with your left and right rear being 12 and 32 seconds. Brakes in the front will be 10 and 32 seconds, with your rear brakes being 14 and 32 seconds. Make our way to the back seat. As you can see, that interior is going to stay consistent back here as well. If we take a look here between your driver and passenger seat, you will have your own individual air vents. And if we come here in the middle, you are going to have this middle seat here. You can pull this lever there, which will release this middle seat. I'm going to have to go ahead and use the back of the camera, which then releasing the middle seat here does allow for a center console equipped with 2 cup holders. Making our way to the rear, as you can see, this vehicle is going to come equipped with a backup camera. And as you'll see as well, this does also have the automatic trunk lift. So I'm going to go ahead and press that button there in the middle, and as you can see, it is going to automatically lift. And as you can also see, there is plenty of storage space back here to haul groceries or luggage on long trips or anything that you can possibly think of. Not to mention, here on the right side, there is a 12-volt plug-in. And then to close that automatic trunk, there is a button that is right here on the top. So you'll just go ahead and press that, and it'll go right down. Making our way to some of the interior features of this vehicle is going to come equipped with power mirrors, power locks, power windows, and the 8-way power folding seat adjustments with the lumbar support. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this baby up for you guys. And as you can see, it does have the push start button. So as long as you push that brake in and you press that button, it'll start right up. You'll get a nice little start up there on your middle display and your driver display from Nissan. And after starting it up, you'll take notice that this vehicle is going to come with just over 78,000 miles on it. Now there is plenty of options here on the interior, so we're going to go ahead and show you guys each and every single one of those. Up here, you are going to have your trip reset, as well as the brightness to your driver display. Just going to go ahead and turn that all the way down, showing you guys what that looks like. And then if I turn it all the way back up, you can see it gets much brighter. Going even further than that, down here, you are going to have a couple of different options pertaining to your traction control, your sport mode, your trunk lift, your power doors for on and off, your eco mode. This is your 360 sensors, as well as your blind spot monitoring. This is your all-wheel drive lock. This is your downhill start assist. And then even further down, you are going to have your gas cap release as well as your hood release. Taking a look here at the left knob behind your steering wheel, it is going to be all of your headlight adjustments, and you will see that you have the automatic headlight setting, as well as your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. Taking a look on the right side, you'll see that you have all your front and rear windshield wiper adjustments. Looking here at the left side of your steering wheel, you're going to have all of your middle display options. And on the right side, you'll have all of your cruise control options as well as your touch to talk down below. Coming here over into the middle, you are going to have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned previously, it does have a backup camera as well. Coming right below that, you'll see the climate control at the touch of your fingertips. Moving down even further, you are going to see some different options pertaining to a USB port, an auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt plug-in. Coming back even further, you'll see your beautiful shifter knob, 2 cup holders, a small storage compartment here in the middle. Not to mention these front seats are heated as well. And then if we come back here to the center console, you'll see that you're going to have your 2-part center console. So if you hold that right lever down there on that side, it will allow the smaller storage compartment up top. And if I go ahead and close that and hold the left one down, you'll have a much deeper storage compartment equipped with a 12-volt plug-in. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you are going to have lighting options for both your driver and passenger, a sunglass holder, and the option to open and close your panoramic sunroof. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 2.5 liter engine with 170 horsepower. You'll also take notice that our engine bay has come extremely clean and very well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you are going to have your couple of typical stone chips, and like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep a garage kept its entire life. And as you can see, there are a couple of smaller imperfections up here as well, here on the right side, as well as down here to the left. Coming back down here along the driver's side of the body, you are going to have a couple of stone chips back here as well as some scratches here along your rear wheel well, as well as there on the rear passenger side door. Coming back even further, you're going to see a couple of more scratches there. Taking a look at each and every single one of these rims as well, you'll see that that one is in great condition, no curb rash on that. Coming back up here to the front one, as you can see, you are going to have a couple of small imperfections here towards the logo. However, this outer edge is in very good condition. Coming around here to the rear, down here I will mention on this trim piece, it is pretty scuffed up, as well as a cut there. You'll see some other small imperfections there as well. You are going to have a couple of your typical trunk scratches. Other than that, this rear seems to be in very good condition. Coming back up here along the driver's side of the body, as you can see, there is a slight imperfection here on the rear. And a couple of stone chips here. And I will mention there is an imperfection here on the door. And a couple of typical stone chips up here next to your mirror. Showing you guys these rims real quick. That one seems to be in very good condition, the front one. Coming back here to the rear one is going to have some slight imperfections here up top, as well as next to the logo on this one. That's all I have for you guys today on this 2016 Nissan Rogue SL. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollumsburg, PA. And if you want to see more amazing vehicles just like this one, hit that like and subscribe, and make sure to turn post notifications on as well. Have a wonderful Monday, guys.